গাড়ি তো ফুকিং বুলেট বন্দুক দিয়ে মারছে নাকি তা ওকে না সবটা ভাঙ্গা ওই না গেছিল না একবার স্নুকার যে ফুকিং বিজি বাস্টারের টাকা ফোন নেই 8 ফোন সবটা যে বিজি বুকিং হতে লাগে নাও
কই দিলাম আমরা
Vitamil food. How long?
6 minutes.
Fucking hell, chef, you bastard. I blame the chef. That's it. Sorry, bastard. Right. Samne right. How are you doing, chef? Faster, Ali? Migraine? Okay, taxi bus ka lang.
গাড়ি না
Whose car? Onto kali sida na?
সামনে রাইট
Right? Yun sa tayo. Okay, sorry. Season aaj. Season. Shukriya to yada iglo no.
না এই যে
Prison, Manchester prison.
প্রিজন নেই
Yeah. Arono ilo casino no.
এইটা এমন
Amore.
সামনে রাইট
Which right? Not this one. Traffic light.
দিস রাইট
All right.
ইয়া
Wow. Slowly funk.
Test the brake, man.
Okay, sir?
You okay?
Yeah.
Is it your car, sir?
Yeah, yeah.
What's your name?
Waheedu.
Right. Your number plate is legal.
Legal.
Illegal.
Right?
Because the number plate must be easily readable.
This.
Okay. That's not easily readable. Okay. We've been behind that for some time. Have a good look and you're struggling to see it, especially on an angle. You can't see your number plate. Okay. Give you 2 weeks to sort it out.
Yeah.
Okay, now we put a marker on the system. There's tons about Manchester, okay. If you sort it within the 2 weeks, just get your normal number plate again, you'll be fine. If not, there'll be a traffic offence report going in for your illegal number plate, which is a fine or a visit to court. Is that fair enough?
Yeah.
Okay.
How will you check it though?
They charge about
Yeah.
£20 or something. Give you a new one.
So how will they know that I've done it though?
How's what, sorry?
How will they know I've done it? Do I have to send something off?
No, so basically, there's a marker on your car now for your number plate.
Yeah.
So it'll ping the cameras.
Yeah.
Obviously, when it pings and the information is there saying illegal number plate,
Yeah.
the police behind you will see that it's not, that you've had it fixed,
Yeah.
and then they will take the marker off straight away, so then it will be dealt with. Okay?
Take a visit to Haque tomorrow and just
Yeah.
tell them to put a new one out, yeah?
Yeah, that's fine.
So, thank you.
Thank
Have
you.
a nice day.
আলাইন গেছে নি তার লগে আমরা আইছি সুরবন
হ্যাঁ
তার লগে আইছে পয়সা যে লাগে বন্দুক দিয়ে নাই মারছে তারে
কইছে তো এগো তো পুলিশ এগো
কিদা তোমার এটা এই নাম্বার প্লেট চেঞ্জ করতে হয়
এগো পুলিশের গাড়ি বন্দুক দিয়ে মনে হয় হইছিল না
ইয়া
In 150 yards, turn right.
Take the third exit onto Dunster Road.
Turn right, then your destination will be on the right. Your destination is on the right.